This is the Divoom TimesGate. It's a futuristic, cyberpunk-inspired digital clock, but in this stunning soft pink. Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina, and if you've visited my channel before, then you know I love making everything as pink and girly and visually pleasing as possible. I love my workspace to look luxurious. I spend so much time at my desk making YouTube videos, why wouldn't I want it to look good? The goal is to get my desk to look as luxurious as my handbag collection. And there has been one piece of tech that I have been wanting so bad. Luckily for me, Divoom reached out to me and asked if they can send it to me. It was honestly like my pink girly dreams finally came true. First, we have the unboxing. Divoom always does amazing packaging. The box that it comes in is surprisingly gorgeous. It's got that sci-fi time machine look, but the pink finish makes it so chic. The box itself is so beautiful, I don't even want to throw it out, and it is such good quality that you don't have to. Find use for this because it is gorgeous. And then not only is it the perfect shade of pink, it got this cute little sci-fi high-tech look to it. It kind of reminds me of a time machine. And girlfriend, this thing is so chic. I am definitely finding a place for her on my desk. To begin the setup of your new Divoom TimesGate, you will find a QR code on the first screen. I already have the Divoom app, so I am going to just go ahead and click open, but if this is your first Divoom device, make sure you download the app. To set up your new device, you would click on the first tab at the bottom of the app that says device. Right now, the app is connected to my Divoom Mini 2, but we're going to go ahead and click on here. It is a Wi-Fi setup, so we're going to go ahead and click on Wi-Fi. We're going to go ahead and click on Wi-Fi and add new device. We're going to add TimesGate, and we are going to go ahead and go into the setup. To enter pairing mode, you're going to go ahead and press the power button for 8 seconds. And the symbol right here means that the device is ready to be paired. Once you finish putting your Wi-Fi and password information, you'll see the screen where it shows that it's connecting and connected. All of the magic happens in the Divoom app. You have access to a massive library of pixel art. There's thousands of designs created by the community. And since we're in our girly era, I can search for a pink aesthetic or butterflies or even Hello Kitty and instantly push those designs to the screens. You can even DIY your own pixel animations if you're feeling creative. When you select the Faces gallery, on the top you have 3 different panels. The first panel is for groups, and they are all of your themed preset clock faces. So I chose neon just to show you guys how cute this actually is. So these show different information. The first widget is an animation that says Neon Divoom, and I love the little sparkles. The second one is your weather data, so it shows the temperature, it shows the humidity, the wind speed, and the visibility. The middle one is your date and time with a cute little sound level meter. Again, I love anything that's animated. It just adds a little bit of razzle dazzle to my entire desk setup. Your 3-day weather forecast and the rest of your stocks, you can change these or add more if you want to. They have so many preset clock faces to choose from, and out of curiosity, I really want to see how this one looks. This is the Holiday Brilliant Christmas. This one is a clock face with little light up numbers, and it gives you a really cute countdown to Christmas with the weather. They also have things like plan. I'm really curious to know what this one is gonna do. All you have to do to select one of these is just touch the face and it's gonna set it up for you. But if we tap the menu button item here, you can actually set them to be anything you want, and this is a little bit more in depth to have it exactly the way you want it. It says that row 1 is USA stock, but we can change it and it will give us all these other things. I'm interested to see if this will show what I think it's gonna show. This right here, but baby girl, this right here, this has got to be my favorite part. This is amazing for creators. You can set the 5 screens to track your social media stats in real time. It tracks your YouTube subscribers, views, Instagram followers, TikTok followers, Twitter followers, Twitch followers, whatever platform you are on, you can set it to track yourself. Seeing my community grow right here on my desk is just so motivating, and it reminds me about all the hard work that I'm putting in. This might be my most favorite clock face. But it's not just for social media. For my girl bosses out there, hey babe, I see you. It also tracks financial data. You can set it to show the stock market, look at exchange rates, or even crypto prices. It's like having a mini Wall Street ticker, but you know, a lot cuter. But for everyday life, I would put a weather report, calendar features. I could even put sports stats. This is the smartest clock I've ever owned, and the IPS screens are so crisp, you can see the details from across the room. Now on the top, you'll see different buttons. You have a light button, you have a mode button, and then you have these, which are your up and downs. So if you click on the light, you can change the lighting on the sides. Let's go ahead and turn down my camera light just a little bit so you guys can see. This one here is my most favorite light setting. It's kind of like a daydream, and it looks a lot like the light setting that I have on my Divoom's time frame. Repeatedly pressing the up and down arrows will make your display darker or brighter for those who do not like bright lights while they're sleeping. Me, I love all the ambient lighting that I can get, so I would always leave it like this. Here I have a Stranger Things theme, and I think that this looks really cool with some red lighting. So now that we have my clock faces set up the way I want it, I want to show you everything that the Divoom TimesGate can do. If you go to your home setting where it says device, there are a lot of different options here. If you're not a great artist but you want to kind of make something that's your own, you can also do pixel coloring. If you go into task mode, you can find so many different pixel colorings at different levels of difficulty. Let's go ahead and try to see what this little flower is about. This is giving paint by numbers. But if you put a little time and effort, I would say that it's definitely relaxing to try to get this done. At the end, you'll have your own little pixel art. Some other things that you have are an alarm clock. You can go ahead and add an alarm to your TimesGate by pressing the plus sign and selecting the time that you want to wake up. We're going to go ahead and put an alarm for 5:48, being that it's 5:46 right now. And you can even set little widgets for that alarm clock if you want to. Oh my god, I love bubbles! And let's see what happens at 5:48. And there goes our cute little alarm clock. They have other things on here like a scoreboard if you want to play with friends and you need to keep track of who's winning. This would have came in handy a whole lot when I was a kid. So is the Divoom TimesGate really worth it? I mean, hey, if you care about your desk aesthetic and you would like to have a piece of tech that is a total conversation starter, then absolutely, because this right here is the perfect blend of sci-fi and soft girl aesthetic. It has infinite customization, real-time data tracking, and this soft pearlized bubblegum pink is to die for. And she is going to stay right here. I've always wanted this thing. That space was empty for the TimesGate specifically. So besties, I've linked the TimesGate down below in my description box if you want to get yourself one of those. Don't forget to subscribe so that way we can be friends, and let me know in the comments what kind of theme should I put in my pixel art next. I'm giving the TimesGate a 10 out of 10 for completing my desk glow up.